I want to take you on a journey on how I made this delicious patty jollof rice paired with crispy, spicy peppered chicken. I made this same jollof rice some time ago on this channel, and the views, the engagement was so low, and I began to wonder, why didn't people watch? Why didn't they engage? Like, why didn't they learn how I make my own patty jollof rice? I then decided to refilm this particular patty jollof rice because you must learn how to cook patty jollof rice in your home, to keep your house together. So let's begin at this point. Use any protein of choice: goat meat, beef, chicken, turkey, anyone is okay. All right, steam to your preferred taste. Fry until it's golden brown. Remove it and set it aside. Please pay attention. This first step is very important. Introduce the oil you fried your chicken or any protein with. Introduce ginger and garlic. Very importantly, fry it for some seconds. Then you introduce curry powder and thyme. Fry that until they are fragrant. Then you introduce your tomato paste. Fry until the tanginess is out of the way. You then introduce your pepper blend. Now you will have to fry this tomato paste very well to remove the tanginess, and this will take up to 5 to 8 minutes to be ready. At this point, I want to welcome you to the channel. This is 426 Kitchen. How are you doing? I hope you're okay. I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by, for viewing, for always supporting us. For my returning subscribers, your love has brought us this far, and I'm not taking it for granted. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. And if you're new here, this is the right time for you to hit that subscribe button, okay? And turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time we post a new video. Thank you. After frying the tomato paste very well, okay, I went further to introduce the pepper blend. To get the perfect pepper blend for your jollof rice, combine red bell pepper, shombo, and tatashi, onions, blend all of them together. Okay, if you want to roast it, it is fine, but if you don't, or you don't have the capacity to, just blend and use, just as I did. After adding the pepper blends, I stirred properly to combine, allowed it to cook for another 10 minutes. Let it fry until it's ready. I then went further to introduce the spices. After introducing the spices, I added salt, then introduced my meat stock. I used chicken, so I introduced it, and then I added bay leaf. Covered and allowed it to fry very well. I will then remove some of this sauce because I will use it to pepper the chicken. I went further to introduce my properly washed rice. I will then stir together to combine. Now, this is where most people get it wrong. The level of water you give to your rice will determine the texture of the rice. Now, add water to just the same level of your rice, okay? If you parboiled a little bit, even when you didn't parboil, just add it because rice cooks with steam and not with water. Then after adding water, I added bay leaf, and here I introduced the sauce I removed into the fried chicken. Okay, I'll just keep stirring on a low heat, and I'll add more pepper. If you have green bell pepper or red bell pepper, you can also add it. Now I went back to the rice. It's cooking perfectly well. I will stir to enable the water to go down. After stirring, this is where you have to have a lot of patience with your rice. Now, this is the most important part. You have to trap the heat with anything you have. Foil paper, bag, anything available just to trap the heat. Let the heat cook the rice for you. I allowed the steam to cook this rice for another 20 minutes, okay, and here it's ready. Can you see? I will then reintroduce some of the sauce I removed earlier. I will add a bit of cooking margarine, then finish up with onions and tomatoes. That's optional though. Some people don't like onions, but I like it. So I'll finish up with onions. Tomato was not available. If I had, I would have added. It gives it that brightness, that's, that sweetness again. So here the rice was tasty, everything came out really nice. You can pair with any protein of choice. If you haven't subscribed up until this time, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time we post a new video. Please don't forget to put your thoughts in the section. Like the video, please. Okay, thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next video, do have a blessed day. Bye bye.